Oh!
I'm gonna tie this part. Done. Chicken. I tied it. Look.
Chicken. No.
Yesterday you came to my house,
So I'm gonna dance at your house. Hi. I'm caught up.
I'm gonna go 5:30. Okay.
It's 5:03.
Yeah.
Comment what time it is.
5:04.
No, it's not. Okay, join me, chicken.
No.
Why do we always sing it?
Like,
I'll be right back. This game is boring.
James.
Bro, you didn't say the same thing.
Okay. Jinx.
Dance.
I know it's impossible.
Please don't say it. Oh! I clicked it. Open them. Hi everybody, so today we're gonna slap you in the face. Bruh. Okay, this girl's just bouncing some balls. Well, what is this button?
What thing?
There's a new thing. This is the sound of DTI, bro. The easy thing. I can freeze it. I'm just kidding.
2010. It's 2025. Are you excited?
No.
For 2026?
No.
2026 is gonna be more harder, I guess. So 7
Look, chicken. Bruh! I was so good, bro. I literally saw how I died right there. Standoff, I know.
Let me join you. Mariah Gaming. Everyone always wants to add you.
I know, like 16 people actually.
Yeah.
Okay, if you see me, right there joining myself, that doesn't mean that I'm joining my own stuff. It's just chicken that's joining me. So I'm on my mom's account. I'm on my mom's account because I'm on my second account. It's because what is this?
Yeah, I'm playing on her tablet.
It's because that my tablet it just can't.
Chicken Ricky, you got that gun from I want that.
What gun?
I mean, that's what I want. That.
Oh,
that's so bad.
Yeah, it's a limited edition, so I got it. Actually, no, it's from the card. I don't
wish
know.
I had a limited edition.
It's not limited edition. Where is it? Oh, there. Subscribe if you think I'm gonna win. Bro just turned into a.
Chicken, I see you.
Girl, you just teleported.
I don't know how did I teleport it. Why your tablet so laggy?
It's not laggy.
Kind of.
Oh, he just died. Girl, I see you. I played Label on my tablet. And it still works.
Chicken, imagine if I was lagged here.
Look, I'm good. Hi guys, I'm gonna do a backflip. Jamie! I actually didn't know how to do a backflip in real life. What are you doing, girl?
Last time I played Blazer, I cracked everything.
No. I cracked this. And I cracked this. This thing over there. And
yeah.
When is it gonna be my turn? But I just exploded. It's my turn.
There's only 2 pillars. What is one trophy?
I don't know what they call it.
Let's do rank.
No, I wanna do team. 2 teams actually.
But I guess it's gonna be classic because there's.
Bro, what is this?
I don't know. I'm so laggy.
Girl, that happens to me every single time. Sometimes I'm laggy on my tablet, even in DPI.
Hi.
Oh my god, what is this? Bro, what did you just do?
That's right.
Oh, that's your ability. Oh, okay. My ability is freeze ball. I freeze the ball.
Yeah, I want that ability.
Chicken!
I wish I had that ability.
Yeah, I eliminated someone. Girl,
Yeah, I eliminated someone.
yeah, I know.
Oh my god, so cool.
It's so far away, bro. Oh, she just died. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4 people.
I wanna live with these. Let me do
My
ability.
ability is almost done. I'm gonna press this. Now you can take it.
I need ability. I need that.
There's 3 people left. Just me and these people.
I need this ability. Why can't I take it?
Cause you have to buy it.
Right.
Ooh.
Okay, let me see.
Ooh.
Does it cost Robux?
I don't know. Why are you asking me? Someone just die already. Just someone die already, please. Oh yes, I got it. Yes. Standard. Okay, me versus this dude. Just gonna make it faster.
I'm so lucky. Oh, now I don't have to press like the tablet.
No, I was so close. I lost.
You almost won.
You know, when I was in the first time I was in here, I actually won already.
Yeah, I won.
Yeah,
2
remember?
times.
Remember?
Yeah. I like. How much did you won?
Probably. I don't know. Okay, you know, I'm gonna buy some stuff sometime. Bruh. You guys, this is how to win the game. First, go very far away from the ball. Oh, Tina! Oh! Bro, are you serious right now?
Bro, who freezed it?
Him, that dude. He's just kinda. He copied my ability. Bro, why does everybody almost have this ability?
Yeah,
Oh, damn. She just died in front of everybody. Oh. Bro just turned into... Oh, that was you? Oh.
Chicken, bro, I blocked it. Literally just went on me.
After we're gonna play Brookhaven. I mean, Berry. Oh. Ability.
I want to make coins.
You have to kill people.
I killed people.
You need to kill a lot of people. So you can... Please do not be me. If it's me, I'm gonna crash out. Okay, guys, we're gonna play another game. We're gonna play something else, not the first one. Okay, this is my. Oh, for a second I didn't even have. So, guys, this is my water. This is my tomato. My watermelon.
Okay, you're gonna eat the tomato.
If you see her garden, this is your garden. This is Isis's garden. Let me show you. Just tap it. Well,
This is my garden. I know how to play Girl Garden Chicken.
click send request.
Chicken.
What did you get? What did you get?
I got strawberries.
Look, this is Isis's garden. Let me show you guys.
Bro, be quiet.
This is her garden. This is what I actually grew. Look how tall it is.
Bro.
You're gonna waste it. Okay, so I have a lot of money, and she has like 9, 2.
It's her tablet.
Yeah, I have a lot of money. So someone gave me.
I know how to grow it.
Okay, come. This is my garden.
Let me destroy my plant.
You have to dig it up. You have to click it. Wait, don't actually do that. Okay.
Bro, I just did.
Why is he there again, bro? Look at my garden. Oh, the seed shop reset. So, I'm gonna go there before someone steals stuff. Oh yes, I'm right next to it.
Bro, it's giving me
What is he giving me?
he gave me a seed.
Oh, what seed?
A yellow one.
What yellow one? I don't see it.
I don't know why it's not here. Oh, it's right here. Look at this.
Girl, that's a tomato. Don't collect everything.
Chicken.
I got the last watermelon. You mean this seed? Hold on, this seed?
No, the pineapple.
Oh, you got pineapple seed.
Chicken. I got all of them.
This is so dumb. Look. So when I joined, right? I asked the shopkeeper to say. He says there's nothing there to buy. Like he's so dumb. I can't anymore.
Let me
Oh my god.
Why is keep giving me?
Okay, give me this. I'm sad.
Thank you. Good. I'm better here. Chicken, that's your tablet.
Oh, you mean this is not a seed? This is not the seed, right?
I played grow garden.
Look how big my. What is this, girl?
Chicken.
I made this and it's so. What is this gold strawberry? This is a gold strawberry. I'm gonna sell it. Girl, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna collect yours. I'm just joking.
Don't actually collect it. I'll collect you up.
Okay, let me collect this, guys.
Bruh, I have watermelon.
Look
I
what
wanna
I
sell
found.
this. He gave me $200 and 221 cents. I mean 200
Chicken, brought up tomato, and let me sell it. Let me sell it.
Okay, here you go.
Chicken here.
Bruh. What? I wanna sell this. Thank you. Bye. I'm leaving.
Bro.
Bro, I just joined back.
But why does it have like...
It has feet.
I know. It's like a ballerina.
Why does this chicken?
It's ballerina. It's a ballerina cappuccino.
Bro, it literally says Amelia's attack. Bro.
I see the future.
Oh, I woke up in a new book. Sheesh. Oh no, this person
I
needs
see
help.
an infinite.
Bro.
I'm gonna go help
In my heart.
Korea always dies with this in my heart.
No, it's like.
I see the
Bro, why is there 1,000 of them?
I don't
I
know.
see the future.
How about you help me? Oh my god, this person's so. Help me! At least someone help me.
I see the future.
Help me. I'm under the water. Help me. Someone help me.
Okay, chicken, I'll
Help
help
me.
I see the future.
Chicken, I'll go help you. Just hold on.
Bruh! There's Megan. I thought I just saw her, but it was actually me. Okay, bruh. Okay, I'm gonna leave the game.